how, but I always forget to apply illuminating cream before primer. Let it dry, let it absorb. So after that I'm applying illuminator. As you can see, my skin looks super smooth and dewy, and the skin is ready for makeup. I'm using illuminating cream from My Glam. So big shout out to the My Glam team, because look at the packaging यार, I am in love. मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिए वेडिंग्स के फंक्शन पे मैंने ये यूज़ किया. Look at this difference, look at the difference between this and wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes. जल्दी जल्दी आपको दिखाते हैं तो it doesn't mean कि आप जल्दी जल्दी एक साथ सारे प्रोडक्ट लगा दो, because वो वर्क नहीं करेंगे. You have to be patient in makeup. So it's all done. Now it's time for the cover your dark circles, acne marks, a lot of flaws on your skin. You don't see right in front of the camera. I'm looking like a brute. Using a concealer brush from PAC. I'm in the number 219. It's the best. I love it. I can use this as a foundation brush as well. It works really well. Don't blend too much. This is the tip, because I always do. So it's done. So I'm using my one of my favorite foundation from L'Oreal. It's a L'Oreal Infallible. I don't know, no one is talking about the foundation. This foundation has my heart. It gives you full coverage after 2 layers. After applying 2 layers of foundations, this is my heart. इससे मैं ब्राइडल मेकअप भी कर सकती हूँ, पार्टी मेकअप भी कर सकती हूँ. आप जो मेकअप कराना चाहते हैं इस फाउंडेशन से मैं कर सकती हूँ. No one is talking about on Instagram and in YouTube about this foundation, but this foundation is fab. It works. It beats high-end products as well. I'm using 2 pumps of this foundation. भी सतह नहीं रखना क्योंकि आज मेरी आइज भी बहुत हैवी हो सकती है. I'm introducing my new eyeshadow palette from Kanda. It has a poppy eyeshadow. Look at the angular brush. It has a fine edges so you can fill your brows and make your eyelid. It has a spoon. Blend it with the brown color. Light the shade when you use fluffy brush, and you have to use light base, light eyeshadow. कलर वो फैल जाता है fluffy brush से. made my own blush. Wow. Top it up with the powder blush. I never play it in my entire life, but I have to do it for